Okay, Kevin Victor, you say, just work with a client, setting up email marketing to the welcome series and some landing page refreshes. What do you recommend to do to get around retainer, further email sequences and report? That's great, Kevin. Awesome job getting a client. You're at that stage where, okay, now you got the client. I always teach this to guys, like, you want to know the fastest way to 6 figures per year as a copywriter? Like, get good enough as a copywriter and then get in front of people who have lots of money. And then once you land them as a client, don't let them go. Don't make sure they keep paying you money because then as freelancers in any capacity, copywriting, graphic design, web development, whatever, they get caught in not hamster wheel. They get caught in, client acquisition hamster wheel. This month I got a client. Oh, next month I got to get another client. Oh no, I'm back to zero. And they're on this constant feast and famine. You don't need to feast and famine as a copywriter. It's so simple. Get a client, keep them. Get a client, do good work, and then sell them on the ongoing thing. Most people, when I land them for a one-time project, I keep them around and I pitch the next thing and we keep going. So you need to do that. That's the next step. So if you've already done, you've set up their email marketing, you set up a welcome series, that's great. That's steps 1 and 2. And landing pages refreshes, awesome. What do I recommend to get on retainer? Yeah, 100% get writing their weekly emails at a bare minimum. Every single business on earth, always, they need to send at least 1 email per week. There's no business on earth that should ever, in any situation, send less than 1 email per week. So if you see a client or a business owner and they're sending once or twice a month, or just kind of when they feel like it, or just when there's a promo on a weekend special, like once a month, they're doing this wrong. Email is the highest ROI of any marketing channel. Any business who's not tapping into email, sending at least 1 per week. Every business on earth, there's no exceptions. If they're not, then they need to start. And that's your first offer. That's your first pitch for retainer. Let me write your weekly emails. And they say, well, I'm not sure if I want to send them much, or what are you going to be writing? It's very simple. Do you want to make money is what you tell the business owner, because email has the highest ROI of any marketing channel at 36-1. That means for every $1,000 you invest into email, you're going to get on average $36,000 back in return if you're just average. So if you want to make more money with your business, you need to talk to your audience. Social media isn't enough. There's algorithms in the way. Paid ads isn't enough. You have to pay to play every time. SEO can't be relied on because AI changed the way search engines work. This is why email is the most constant, stable marketing channel there is. And if brands aren't sending enough emails, there's number 1 offer for you. Oh, great. Okay, great. If they're not sending once a week, hey, I'll write your weekly emails. Kevin, if they're sending once a week already, great. Let's send 2 to 3 a week. Here's my package. If they're sending 2 a week, great. Here's my daily email package. No business can ever go wrong with sending too many emails. People always ask, well, how many emails is too much? The question is, how much money do you want to make? How much of a relationship do you want to have with your audience? And how much do you want to convert that audience? How much do you want to provide them value and help more people? Because that's how much you should be talking to them. You should be talking to them on socials, paid ads, SEO, and email every day if you want to make more money. If you don't want to make money, then stop talking to people. A really easy way to stop making money is stop talking to your audience. So it's a really easy way to start making more money by just simply talking to them. The funny thing is that business owners don't realize is that people aren't thinking about them all day long. People have amnesia. What's that? A squirrel. Oh, what's going on over here? You need to literally remind people that you exist as a business owner. Easy way to do that, email copywriting, ads, landing pages, social media. This is why copywriting is so juicy and so valuable to business owners. Is because you get to bridge the gap between the business who wants the money and the people who need the solution to their problems in life. And you as the copywriter, you just connect those two. The easier you do, the better job you do at connecting those two, the more money you make. Because you make money for the business owner, they always give you a cut. It's very simple. So I say that that was a much bigger lesson as an answer to your question. Simple. You've already done an email marketing setup. You've already set up their welcome email series. Depending on what kind of business they are, if they're e-commerce, you got a whole bunch more automations you can set up: abandon checkout, abandon cart, browse abandonment, post-purchase automation, sunset, unengaged, like a whole bunch of stuff that's very easy on the automation side to set up. You can focus on list growth. You can focus on setting up their pop-up forms, more stuff like that. If we're talking non-e-commerce, in addition to doing weekly emails, daily emails, whatever, as a retainer offer, create some lead magnets. Go, if they have struggled growing their list, go create here's 7 steps to XYZ. If you have a fitness coach as a client, very simple way to grow someone's list. Just a random example. Let's say it's a weight loss coach for men in their 40s. Great. I'm going to create a free guide for you for this next month. And once a month, I'll create a lead magnet for you. This first one's going to be how to shed 7 pounds of fat in 7 days, free guide. That's going to get 10 times more email signups than like join my fitness coaching newsletter, which is what most business owners do. And they wonder why they're not growing their email list and making money from it. So there's offer number 2 for you. Weekly emails. If it's already weekly, offer daily or twice a week at least. And then beyond that, lead magnet creation once per month. There's a retainer. Create a new one every month. Easy. Not sure where to start? Go look at the top competitors, look at their lead magnets, replicate it, copy it, do it new and better. After that, so ongoing weekly emails, email automations, lead magnets, sign up forms, tons of stuff. It's like set up deliverability stuff. Go fix go set up sunset unengaged. There's different names for it, but I like to just call it the list cleaning automation, but people call it sunset unengaged. Get subscribers who aren't opening the emails off the email list. Improve the deliverability. Like you go start managing their email stuff. If you're just writing Google Doc copy, offer, hey, I'll manage the whole thing. I'll manage the software, schedule the post, give you reports, A/B testing, all the things. Lots of things you can offer as an ongoing retainer. And if you've already tapped out email and they're like, want to do other things, like you said you did line pages, go offer other things. Like the easiest way to get retainers I've found as a copywriter is focus on things where you can have deliverables. I personally have not been a sales page copywriter. I've written sales pages. It's not my main thing. My main thing is email. But easy way to get people giving you money every month, give them a deliverable style of copywriting. So that would be emails, because people always need new emails. Ads, because people always need new ads. This could even be more on the content side of things if you want to go that path, which is, I know people say that's not direct response copy, but I don't care. It is. It's how people get into the funnel. Social media posts, blog posts. These are things that people need ongoing every single month. So it's a really easy reason for them to keep paying you money because you keep giving them new stuff. So there's a whole bunch of whack of ideas you can offer as an ongoing to get retainers.